guys, welcome back to a video today. It's Corey Nelson HD. Today we're taste testing Smarties. So yeah, it's I'm paper recycle me, love to share Smarties. So that's the back and that's the front. So let's get into this bad boy. These we've got. So we've got different colours. Lots of different colours. So we've got pink, yellow, brown, orange, red, purple, blue, green, Zero out of 10 for a smell test. Taster 10 out of 10. Let's do a bunch of them. That's good. Like and subscribe. See you guys next time for another video. Bye.